Good boy. You ready? You ready, bud? Okay. Green hair. Good boy, buddy. You ready? Let's get some beef. All right, little man. Our first Manding lesson. So he's going to ask for this food, and then as soon as he goes to jump on me or to beg for it, and then he moves back off away from me, he will get a reward. Good. So he put his little paw on me, he sniffed at it, and then he pulled back. And he just pulled back again. That's good. It's okay, little man. You're super hungry, aren't you? Say, I'm really hungry. Yeah, I know. How you doing, bud? That was good. That was nice. You just gave me a nice look and you just stood still instead of standing on me. That was really good. That was awesome. Yeah. You're smarty. Good. Why are you so smart? Why are you so smart? You know, if you sit still politely, you'll get some serious rewards. Good man. And you're really hungry. That's why I'm giving him so much. I know that technically. Good man. You. Good boy. How are you figuring this out so stinking fast? You are just awesome. You are awesome. You know that? You are awesome. It's frustrating, isn't it? Should that be all? One more go. That's good. So he was going to get on my lap. He chose to sit down. He didn't look at me, but that's okay. Good job, bud. I think I'm getting this right. Oh, now his little paws are on me. And off. Nice. So this is to help teach him that when he wants to ask for something, it's not on me. It's next to me, calmly. Good job, bud. You're rocking it. Do you want some extra food? You did great. You did so good. Yeah, you're so smart. Huh, you're such a good little boy. I'll get you a little bit more, huh? Because you're a chunker. Because you need more. Come here. Because you need more. Come on, dude. Here. Good boy. Yeah. See, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, Heidi. Mama will feed you, I'm sure. I will get her in there when you guys are done. Nice, you pounded that. Good job, bud. Good job.